Nababaw Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, it's a little special because I have with me is my wife. Hello, Joyce.
Hi.
Gusto pong ipakilala sa inyo ang aking butihing. Nais ko pong ipakilala sa inyo ang aking butihing asawa. For those who doesn't know, so meron po kaming 2-year-old kid.
Yes, Luis.
And his name is Luis. Since birth up until now, breastfed siya milk.
Breastfed. Never siya nag-battle.
Never siya nag-battle. So, can you tell me ano yung mga benefits and pains ng breastfeed?
Benefits, syempre hindi ka nabibili ng ng formula and healthy kasi ma-vitamin yung mabitamina ang sorry. Mabitamina ang gatas mula sa ina.
Okay.
Ano pa?
So, nakakatipid, kumbaga.
Nakakatipid ka, yes.
At the same time, healthy. Tama. Okay. So, ano naman yung mga pains?
Pains, so kailangan mo puyat. Kailangan mo gumising bawat naghihingi siya ng milk. Minsan pag malaki na siya, masakit na. Yan, masakit na.
Okay, so meron talagang actual physical pain.
Yes.
Okay.
Tsaka madaling ma-dehydrate yung mommy kasi nga yun, kinukuha niya yung milk. Lalo na ngayong 2 years old na siya, siguro humihingi siya more than 5 times. Nang madaling araw pa lang yun.
Well, actually, nakikita ko naman siya.
Tapos dededy siya ng 30 minutes, ganyan, per interval.
Per interval, okay. I feel you, mommy. Anyway, so good thing, we received a package from Lactating Treats by RCG. Ayan. So it is actually our first time to receive these kinds of products.
Yes.
Yeah. So although, let me open it for you guys. These are sweets or cookies.
Yes, cookies. And we are very excited kasi first time namin makareceive ng ganito. And excited and curious.
Speaking of curious, what are your parang expectations sa mga products natin for today?
So yung effectivity niya, how effective yung product na to.
Again, just to show you guys, these are actual cookies.
Yes.
Ayan po, no? These are actual cookies. And we're gonna try them. Actually, Joyce is gonna try them. So, si Joyce po, tatry po niya yung mga cookies natin for 5 days. We're gonna come back to you guys and, tell our experience.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am. Kasi mas-solve na yung problem ko, di ba?
Okay, see you in 5 days.
Bye!
What is up, guys? Again, we are back. So 5 days ago, we started this vlog.
Yes.
And we introduced you guys with the package that we received. So it's
Lactation cookies.
Lactation Cookies by RCG. Tama ba?
RCG,
Yeah,
yes.
Lactation Cookies by RCG.
Just like your favorite cookie.
Just like your favorite
Just like
cookie.
your favorite cookie.
Well,
cookie.
yeah.
And then,
Speaking of favorite cookie, as a matter of fact, it has several flavors.
Yes.
Yeah, let's mention them. Ano ba yung mga flavors natin?
bali meron tayong choco chip with pecan, double choco chip with cashew, double choco chip with no nuts, choco chip with almond, choco chip with cashew, and choco chip with oatmeal.
Wow. And again, we would like to thank RCG for sending that letter.
Yes.
Napaka-sweet po ninyo. Since na-mention mo yung mga flavors kanina, actually, I tried them during the 5 days na tinetest natin yung mga. To my surprise, actually, tama ka nga, it doesn't taste any different with the other, regular cookie that we enjoy. And as a matter of fact, pwede siya sa mga babies and even adults like me na hindi nagbe-breastfeed.
Yes.
How did it help you and our son?
Bali, hours pa lang, nung pagkakain ko ng cookie, nararamdaman ko na napupuno na yung yung breast ko ng milk. So, right there and there, anytime na maghingi siya, meron na akong maipoproduce. Yan. At agad siya nasa-satisfy. Yun yung maganda.
So, basically, parang na-boost yung milk production in terms of quality and quantity.
In terms of quality and quantity, oo. At nag-enjoy pa ako, di ba? Parang nagmimerienda lang ako.
Do you recommend it to, other breastfeeding moms?
Yes, lalo na yung mga moms na sa tingin nila patapos na yung breastfeeding journey nila. Yan. At lalo na ngayon, quarantine, kailangan natin magtipid.
Reminder din ng ating Department of Health, di ba? Naririnig natin sa mga patalastas, breastfeeding is still best for babies up until 3 years. I think so.
Okay.
Until 3 years, parang mga ganun. So,
Comment below.
comment below kung tama po yung naririnig ko doon sa mga padalastas. Actually, curious ako, no? So, on a regular day, how many cookies do you consume?
Okay, based on my research, 4 to 5 cookies per day. Yan. Or 30 pieces cookies per week.
Per week, okay.
At ang shelf life, it can last up to 6 to 7 weeks kung refrigerated or frozen.
So guys, just to prove you na talagang these are, regular cookies with special, if I may say, ability for breastfeeding moms. No? These are lactating treats, but it can also be enjoyed by, young adults and adults such as, us, me. Okay, let's taste them.
Anong pick na? Ako naman. So, cashew.
Ako, pecan is also nut, right?
Yes,
Pecan is a nut.
Parang yun nga ang bestseller nila. Cashew.
Oh, wow. Yeah, tastes good. It's not bitter. It doesn't have any, any foul aftertaste.
Soft and chewy. Masarap palang trabaho mo, no? Kumakain. Kumakain, no?
That's what I do. So guys, if you're interested to try these treats, and if you are a breastfeeding mom who thinks, this can be beneficial to you, how can they contact Lactation Treats?
You can visit their Facebook account, which is Lactation Treats by RCG. They are located in the Pampanga.
Okay.
They can arrange pickup for you. They deliver or ship nationwide. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. If you think this is beneficial, and at least you think you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and please contact Lactation Treats by RCG. We hope to see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay home, and God bless us all.
Bye!
Bye!
Mommies!